At Cleanaway, we're committed to empowering our customers, residents and communities with industry-leading waste management solutions. That's why we're proud to deliver Cleanaview, an integrated platform that gives councils transparency and 24-hour access to collection service information. From the moment the first truck leaves the depot in the morning, the Cleanaview Portal connects our fleet, customer service teams and key stakeholders to route progress and collection information. Let's look at the system in action. At the start of every shift, the driver syncs the tablet with the Cleanaview system before completing a pre-start check, including oil, wheels and cameras. Our Cleanaview-enabled trucks have up to 7 vehicle-mounted cameras to provide increased visibility of waste services and safety hazards. The driver uses the Cleanaview dashboard to check for any new notifications, including work orders, route changes and customer service tickets that may need to be actioned during the day. En route, when a bin is damaged, isn't presented, or is contaminated, the driver generates a bin alert in the Cleanaview portal. The driver can take a photo and record the event so that the customer service team can give feedback to residents who call about their service and provide them with a first call resolution.
Thanks for calling. How can I help?
This data can also help councils improve recycling practices in their communities and reduce contamination to maximise material recovery. Cleanaview also makes our fleet safer and more compliant. The system issues our drivers with reminders to take fatigue breaks. Vehicles are not only fitted with cameras, but automatic smart sensor brakes to ensure the safety of our drivers and other road users. The data collected on the route and managed through the integrated system provides councils with tailored and scheduled reporting and the opportunity to gain deeper insights about the community and service requirements. Enabling better customer service, greater visibility and more control for councils, Cleanaview is just another way we're working with our customers to make a sustainable future possible.